The US Air Force is keen to boost its relations with Indian Air Force and is planning to invite Indian Rafale fighter jets to future Red Flag exercises and other dissimilar air combat training exercises. Interestingly, this also comes at a time when the US Air Force is looking to build a clean sheet 4.5 generation fighter jet to replace the older F16. Indian Tejas fighter jets have arrived in Sri Lanka to participate at an international air show from 3rd March to 5th March, and the Sri Lankan Air Force pilots will fly several sorties with Indian pilots over the next 1-week period. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the company is in advanced level talks with one Southeast Asian country, which is interested in procurement of 16 Tejas fighter jets in both single-seat configuration and twin-seat configuration. The export variant of the Tejas MK1A will cost around $40 million per unit, which is significantly less than the foreign competitors like the Gripen. As per latest reports, Malaysia and Singapore have shown renewed interest in the procurement of the LIFT trainer, which is based on the twin-seat Tejas variant, after India officially released its price to be around $30 million. The Egyptian Air Force has also expressed interest in Tejas MK1A fighter jet for full combat operations and advanced levels of pilot training, and might replace its aging Dassault Dornier-built Alpha Light aircraft with the Tejas MK1A fighter. A 2-seat naval variant of the Tejas has also been offered to the US Navy, but the Boeing Saab-developed T-7 Red Hawk advanced jet trainer now has better chances of being selected, as the US Air Force has recently placed massive orders for the T-7 Red Hawk advanced trainer. Amid the delay in the 111 Naval Utility Helicopters project and 123 Naval Multi-Role Helicopters project, India's state-owned helicopter operator Pawan Hans is in talks with the Indian Navy to lease 16 light utility helicopters on an immediate basis, and the number could also go up if the lease model works properly. It is to be noted that the company operates a fleet of Airbus AS365 twin-engine helicopters, and had recently introduced the H145 Light Utility Helicopter and H225 Super Puma multi-role helicopters, which can be leased for both light utility and naval multi-role helicopter requirements by the Indian Navy. The government is working on the strategic disinvestment of the helicopter company, and 4 bids have already been received by private parties. ADD Engineering India Private Limited, a subsidiary of German-based company ADD Engineering, which had been struggling to get land near Bangalore to establish a unit since 2018, has finally received a green signal to its project to establish a unit that will provide cutting tool solutions that will be used in the manufacturing of Tejas MK1A and MK2 fighter jets. The Indian Army is pushing for more mountaineering expeditions as well as research studies to publicize and consolidate India's legitimate territorial claims in areas along the northern borders. The Army is launching a major expedition known as ARMEX-21 on 3rd March that will cover a distance of 1,500 kilometers, and the main aim is to show Indian presence in certain unheld areas.
Omar dropped it.